Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level when you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.60, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $1.60, that would be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point right here at $1.47. So $1.60, $1.47, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where this purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just care about the big picture of things. I just want a way to gauge the health of the overall move. This right here being defined as the move. Easiest way to gauge the health and strength of that, again, watch that purple line. As the purple line itself moves higher and higher, as long as the price can stay above it, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. It's just all about going through healthy consolidations and really just continuing to repeat past history. What do I mean by past history? We'll just keep on doing this. And what is quote unquote this? Well, building those higher bases. You picture those as stair steps. As long as the price continues to build higher stair steps, then as those of you have witnessed over the past few days, the rest of the chart is going to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.